I'll take a video in case they want to see it later.
Yeah, it's good
Something,
fun.
but
It's just
all right,
nice.
let's get going.
Sounds good. We'll spend more time just discussing and making sure we're on the same page rather than.
So for 2, we're 90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Which one is that? I can actually do this stuff and to get through. That makes it hard. It's too much catching up. Okay, well, I'm not gonna look at that. Go back and see if that works now.
Are you trying SPS again to see if it works? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to that site and see. It still says no. I guess I could go try it on the side and see if it'll work, but it still has that yellow X in it. We're trying. That just mean that we can't get in to the connection to the server, or that the SPSS isn't.
I think the power went out or something on campus because they're doing some construction, and I don't know, somebody said they think that somebody nicked the line and messed it up. I don't know if that's true.
It's letting me in so far, so I'll try that. It'd be nice if we can figure that one out. It's 1 point, but which actually ends up being what, like a 1/10 of a point in the long run or something. But
yeah, but if you can take it twice, you think it.
Yep.
If I'm trying to resubmit my answers, so I'm ready for that point. I don't know if you've already done that. You could try texting.
I haven't resubmitted yet. I'm looking for the.
You should try to see.
It's letting me in. I think.
Oh, if it's gonna work, that'd be awesome.
Let me try. BYU, Idaho. Let me see if I can get in. If I can get in, that would be good, and we can figure out what we did wrong. I wonder if they rounded in this and we needed, because it said to 3 decimal points. I wonder if they want the more exact answer and that's what the deal is. What do you think? Maybe on 23 and 24? I wouldn't be surprised.
But it didn't have a decimal, did it?
I don't know.
Oh, originally, if it had a decimal.
I wonder if originally in SPSS, if it had a decimal, and it just, that's the most
good
correct
point.
So let me see what I got. I'm into the server. So let me see if I can get SPSS to work. All right, let me go to math. Let me open up the content. Individual preparation. Let me just go into the quiz and I'll find that one. That one was the, before the bone density, that was the Hummer one. Yeah, used Hummers. Okay, let me start it again. Used Hummers. Let me find that one. Okay, I'll download that, see if it works. So far, it's letting me in. Let me see if SPSS opens, because really that's going to be the true test. But I'm in the VM and I'm on iLearn in there. So, and it looks like it's trying to open it with the file. So.
Oh gosh, now I gotta find.
It's letting me in. Nice. If it works. Let's see if it works. Let's see. So what do we have here? Yep, I'm in. We transform it. Compute variable. Yes, that's a compute one because we want the difference of mean, right? Yep, independent. Okay, we do that. So we want the price. No. Do I need to recode?
I don't know how to. What is this file called? Test to review.
Difference in means using independent samples, and I want. Hang on, I might need to recode first. Cancel. So we've got Hummers, we got New York, and that's what I need. So I need to transform.
What?
Automatic recode.
What was the number from the actual sheet that was wrong?
18.
Is
So recode city. So city code. Add new name. what I'm supposed to do here. There's so many different calculations in SPSS, and it's kind of being. So let me see what else I need to do. Let me get my study guide. I wrote down all of the things for which. Okay, so this is dependent, matched, matched pairs, transform, compute, variable difference. All right. Compute variable. We want the difference between
Questions in the quiz that corresponds to 18.
18 on our paper, yeah.
18 on our paper, but what is it on the quiz?
Oh, it's 23 and 24. Seller A. Look at the data here.
Here, I just sent them my thing that has all the correct answers and told them that one was wrong. So hopefully they can. I told them I'd let them know when we figured out what was right.
All right, so seller A's individual and dealer. So what are we trying to see the difference between? We want the difference in the mean listing prices between the two cities. Let me make sure I transformed that correctly. Okay, city code. All right. So we want to compute the variable. Difference. What do we want the difference between though? The prices? That doesn't work. The difference in price between the city though. That's not computing in my brain for some reason. So I coded the cities.
Mm-hmm.
What am I missing? When I go into transform and try to do automatic recode so we can have a column with the differences between the price, for some reason I am not figuring out what we need there. We need to do that. But I'm not seeing the cities are all in one. Oh, I'm missing that somehow. So we need to compute the difference though. So what would that be? What's the expression for that then? It can't be the price minus the price because we want it to be the price of one city, right? Minus the price of the other city.
Is this the mu minus mu one type thing?
Yeah, it says the difference of the means. But
I don't know. It's super confusing because it doesn't want us to do it wants them to be independent somehow, but
it does.
But it's minus, right? Isn't the problem with that one?
But they want the difference of the mean. Oh, it's just the listing prices. Okay, well, let me just try and analyze it and see what it comes up with. Analyze, descriptive, explore, statistics. Let's see what we've got here. We've got 95%. That's good. We want the price is the dependent, and the city code, the bad code. Except is that what we want? I don't think that's what we want. See on that, on that's showing like 40,000 as the upper end. Lower is 44,000, but that's not the difference between the two.
Yeah, it's a little too
not
big.
What we want. There needs to be we need to compute the difference. But I'm not sure how to do that because they don't give us the cities separately. The cities are, I don't know how to do that.
If you need the cities to be in two different columns, is that what you're trying to say? You can always like cut and paste them.
Yeah.
Which it may not be the technically best way to do it, but in a pinch.
Great. That was fabulous. Okay, cities. We got Los Angeles. And New York's down here. I just know that when we've done the difference of the means, maybe I need to do it different. Maybe Maybe I need to do the compare means. Paired samples. Maybe let me just do that. Have we even done this before? I don't think we have. I think this is what you had done. And then I was like, I don't know how to do that. I'm going to try it.
Yeah, if it gives us close to the negative 402,
city
then
code, let's say that's 1. Wait, I've never done this, so I don't know. Here, 1, variable 1. And variable 2 would be city code. I'll put on. I don't know how to do that. No, I'm not doing it right. I haven't ever done this. Not mileage. Okay, let's try that. And then price, let's try that. And then let's try city code. Now, I want to see what happens here because I don't know what's going to happen. Options, 95%. They did not. Well, of course, it contains a duplicate pair because there's no other. Okay, can't do it that way. Analyze. Independent, independent. 1 sample means. Oh, let me try this. Oh, okay, this is what I need. No, it's not. There's another place to do this that would work, where we can do it separately, and then why is it not working? Descriptives. This is not right. I'm not sure. I mean, you don't have it on there, right?
nope.
Oh my goodness. I don't know how to transform it into what I think we want.
Do you know how to screen share?
Yeah, I think
Maybe I can.
so. Well, I don't know if I can do it with the VM, but I could try.
Oh yeah, I don't know if it works over that.
Let me try. Let's see. Oh, it'll probably work. Let me try it. I'll go back to the other thing now. Can you see that?
1 second, I've got to figure out how to get back to the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it now.
So normally here we'd have difference, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we'd have like price 1 or price 2. But here I coded the city code because it was not numerical, so they're 1 and 2 now. But what we want is we want the price based upon the code.
Yeah, this is where I think you may have to put the data in a different set and then maybe run each of the sets.
Except he's never had us do that. Why would he have us do it on this?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying is I think that may not be what we're supposed to do, but that's a way that we could do it to check.
Okay. Wait. We said independent samples. Let me try that. This is maybe what we need to do instead. For some reason, I was thinking dependent, and they're not dependent. This is where we need to
they're independent.
This is what we need right here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, because it'll do it on its own. Let me make sure it's 95% though. That looks more like what we're looking for. Let's see what we've got. Maybe. It's independent.
Oh, it's so small.
Look at that variance. Look how huge that is.
Let
me maximize it.
Yeah, it still shows up the same size, even though this. Maybe I can make. I just don't know how Macs work. I'm sorry, it's a mess. Okay, now I can see it.
I don't know how it works either. Here's the graph. Oh, here's what we want.
95 lower is 423.
What did we have before?
Yeah, I think you're right.
We just want the more specific answer.
Yeah, I think that's the only problem.
Let's see.
Uh,
Oops, let me hide this. Okay, so negative 423.158 is the lower, and then 5417.256 is the upper.
okay, what was the lower? Sorry.
Negative 423.158.
423.158.
Yes.
And the upper is
5417.256.
256. Okay.
Let's go in and try to put these all in. I bet you that's what, I think that's the only thing we're missing right there. I would bet. Now I have to go back through everything.
Okay, now I just need to email them if
I
that
think
is.
that's what it is. So screen share. I don't know how to unscreen share. But, oh, okay. So let me go back in there. So I'm willing to bet that's what we're looking for. We only have one. I only have one more try anyway. So
I do too.
So I say let's try that.
It's probably right. I don't know why it wouldn't be.
Okay. It's the right numbers and it matches their thing. They just didn't have the more specific to the third decimal point. So I can go back through and do all those. And that'd be okay. They were super freaking out. And I understand why.
47.256. Okay. Yeah, I'll
Okay.
submit mine and see if that's
I'll put
right.
mine through too, and if not, we're out of trials anyway. So I think that's good. I'll go back through and not take your time if
It's 100%. Yep, that's right.
Woohoo! Okay, so yeah, it's just the difference of not having the SPSS. And anyone who doesn't have that available today is not going to get that either because that's not what they have on the paper.
Yep, true that. I just sent them the answers, so
Okay.
they should be good.
Awesome.
And
Good job, Ron. Good job managing all of our craziness.
yeah, I do my best.
We do a lot of that craziness stuff, but
Well, I guess good luck on the test. And I don't
You
think,
too.
do we meet? Do we still need to meet Friday? I don't know. We should probably check.
I believe that we do. I think we have to start on the next one.
Oh, for next week? Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
All right. Well, see you later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.